Welcome to the Moorhead-Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2003 Case IH 2208 corn header in good condition. This low-profile corn header is 8 rolls with 30-inch spacing and comes equipped with automatic header height control and field tracker control, along with knife rolls and hydraulic deck plates. This 2208 is compatible with Case IH 1688, 2188, 2366, and 2388 combines. Thank you for viewing this Case IH 2208. Interested in this corn header? Contact our sales staff at 877-886-7010. Want to view more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.